problem was to build a hovercraft that can autonomously hover and travel straight down and back on a track. Using the calculations we found in the beginning, we gathered information on the correct fans, batteries, and stabilizers to use on the hovercraft and what propulsion system would work the best. To choose our fans, we found a CFM that was a little over the correct amount we needed, just in case we had extra weight or had to add anything extra. And the batteries, we needed the correct voltage and capacity, so we had to get 2 of them to increase the capacity. Designing and building our hovercraft was the biggest challenge. It took a lot of time and effort to get it to run correctly, and then once we built it, we had to test it a lot to find out what we needed to change and what we needed to fix in order for it to run correctly. Working in a team really helped our communication skills. We had a lot of different ideas that we could pick through and find the best solution. So in this project, we were introduced to working in groups to build something, and that brought up fun that we didn't know we could have in engineering. We learned about the global and local effects of producing something and why that really matters, and the technical writing process that engineers use. And it got us really excited for the future of engineering. One thing I wish people told us in the beginning of engineering is to do the extra credit and get your assignments done early. You can get a lot of free points off that, and it's really helpful. And pay attention to your calculations so you don't have to start over and redo them when your project doesn't work at the end. And to not wait last minute for your hovercraft, because stuff doesn't always work like you think it will, and it takes a lot of tries to get it to run smoothly. One of our biggest problems with the hovercraft was trying to get it to go straight because it kept veering off to the left. And so to fix this, we put coins in the wheels so we could have more friction and it would try to go straighter. And our fans broke, so we had to buy new fans, and it had different CFM, but it all worked out in the end. And our batteries, the wiring kept coming disconnected, which really was annoying because we had to spend a lot of time fixing that. And we weren't super great at programming because we haven't done it a lot, so that took a lot of trial and error to finally find the right program.